In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put promo code in Wayfair. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code so your savings show up before you pay. Start by opening the Wayfair app on your phone or heading to the Wayfair website in your browser. Either one works the same way for applying a promo code. Make sure you're signed in if you have an account so your cart and shipping details are ready, though you can also continue as a guest if you prefer. Next, add the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to choose the correct size, color, or finish so you won't need to change it later. Promo codes can be item-specific, so if you have a code tied to a category or brand, double-check that what you're adding is eligible according to the offer's terms. When you're done shopping, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. Review your items, quantities, and estimated shipping so everything looks right. Proceed through the checkout screens until you reach the payment or review order page. That's the spot where Wayfair lets you enter discounts. On this page, look for a section that says Add Gift Card/Promo Code. It might appear as a small link or a field you can expand near your order summary or within the payment section. Tap or click to open it. Now enter your promo code carefully. If you copied it from an email or offer page, paste it in and make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Promo codes can be case sensitive and a single missing character can prevent it from working. Select Apply. If the code is valid for your cart, you'll see the discount reflected in your order total almost immediately. If you get an error message, check the basics. Confirm the code hasn't expired, make sure your items meet any minimum purchase requirements, and verify there aren't exclusions for certain brands or clearance items. Some offers allow only one code per order, and a few are limited by location or shipping method, so make sure those details line up with your order. Once the discount appears and your total looks correct, finish your payment. Choose your preferred payment method, confirm your billing and shipping details, and place the order. Give the confirmation page a quick look to ensure the promo was applied to the final total. That's it. Open Wayfair, add your items, head to checkout, enter your promo code under Add Gift Card Promo Code, apply it, and then complete your purchase with the savings locked in.